So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2024 Audi Q8, and this thing features some drive modes, and I want to take a moment to showcase those modes and what they change in the vehicle. So there's two different ways to enable the drive modes in the Audi Q8, and Audi calls it the Audi Drive Select system. So right here on the center console, you have Drive Select. You have an up and down arrow. You can push either one of those and it'll kind of pop up a temporary screen up on the infotainment display, giving you a couple seconds to pick which drive mode you want to be in. Or alternatively, if you'd like a little bit more time to read the modes, customize your individual mode, this is how you do it. So other than that, those two arrows, from your main app bubble screen, assuming, let's say you're right here, swipe over, first page, go to vehicle. The first bubble right here is Audi Drive Select. So right here, you have all the different drive modes of the vehicle. So you have off-road, all-road, comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. Now, the different modes will also change the different height level of the vehicle. So in dynamic, it's kind of the more sportiest mode. So the vehicle will be kind of as low as it can be. Whereas in the off-road, all-road modes, the vehicle will be a lot higher. Now, the best way to describe kind of what happens in all these other modes, other than, their name would suggest, obviously comfort, the suspension is going to be more comfortable, right? But in the individual mode, you have a little notepad next to it, and you can click that, and then you can adjust the different drive modes. So obviously the comfort mode, right? The suspension would be in the comfortable setting. Same with the steering. Whereas with the dynamic mode, everything will be kind of pushed over on the sport side. Whereas with the off-road and all-road, the vehicle height will be a lot higher, and the kind of the traction control system will behave a little bit different in those modes. You can't really choose that option when you're doing your individual modes. So if you're doing off-roading, maybe you're stuck in some snow, I would select those modes for a little bit higher ground clearance, and the traction control will behave a little differently in those modes. But this is how easy it is to enable the different Audi Drive Select drive modes in the 2024 Audi Q8. Thanks for watching.